What is going on, Energy fam? Welcome back. It has been way too long. It's been like 2 months and I've missed y'all. Welcome back. It's more like nice to meet you, y'all. It has been way too long. Like you guys heard in that clip, guys, that video I recorded was 2 months after the last video I did, and now it's been 3 months later, total 5 months I haven't posted a video for you guys, y'all. It has been way too long. I have long hair now, my beard's grown out a little more, y'all. It's been a long time, but during that time I've done recorded a couple videos, and so I want to show you guys that within these couple weeks. And I mean, it's been busy. Went on a couple vacations. Work has been busy season, and I even took a trip with work this past December. So it has been extremely busy, and I've missed doing this. I've missed y'all. I was like editing last night this video, and like, you know how when you don't do something after a long time and then you do it, you kind of find the love in it again. And so editing was never my favorite part. Kind of putting the whole video together was never my favorite part. But the minute I kind of got back into it, sat down on my laptop and did it, I really enjoy it again. And I'm excited. I'm excited to post more videos. I'm excited to do more things to Titan2Valve. But today, like you guys saw in the thumbnail and the title of this video, y'all, we are changing out Titan2Valve's headlights, and I love it. I love the way it looks. I love the aesthetic that it gives the car. Kind of keeps the old school look, but kind of modernizes it a little bit because of the, well, I'll let y'all see. All right, so let's get to it. All right. In here it is. So as you can see, kind of kept it to the same look, except it is a clear side marker. So now instead of that ugly orange, it's going to be just a sleek, clear side marker. And then for the fog lights, they're just a really, I mean, they're brand new, so they're clear, they're super nice, they match the headlights, and I'm excited to install these. This is the absolute easiest mod on this car. So take out these 2 clips and then literally just pull this whole headlight housing out. I should have grabbed the flathead. Back with the flathead. That one. And it's out. Me being me, I kind of want to just clean right here on top of the bumper and stuff like that. So I'm just going to tuck that away for a second. Keep that back there and kind of spray and clean up some of this with some just quick detailer. And so if you're anything like me and you kind of didn't know what you wanted yet as a primary bulb, primary headlight bulb, I kind of wanted to hold off and keep on researching. I do want to do an LED bulb, but I don't know which one to get. So if y'all got any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. So I just put the old bulb for my old headlight in here, and so now I'm just gonna do a quick install. clip that I shoved right in here. Alright, that it goes there. They should fit perfect. I mean, LMR typically gives out good OEM stuff. Should go in just a little bit more. Boom. And so that clip goes in there. That clip goes in there. And that is a quick and easy install for the headlight. That's literally how quick that headlight is. Yeah, I really like that. I do gotta go to, since I'm doing a clear side marker, I gotta go with a more clear bulb. Probably just do like a small LED bulb on the side of that thing. So, a quick before. And after. I really like it. I'm gonna cut to already the other side being done because it is literally as easy as that side. And we'll go on to those fog lights. Alright, and there you go. This side is done. I really like that. I really like that. I really like that. Let's get to the fog lights. I'm gonna be an extremely lazy dude right now. It makes it easier to lift up the car, but I kind of don't want to right now. I want to make this quick, as quick as possible. So I know that there is one 7mm bolt down here, and then they're behind the light. There are two that come in. There's that one. Alright, I should have it now. There it is. I left it in there. Right here. Boom. Number one. Alright. Bolt number 3. So same, there's like a little clip on it, just like the headlight. You kind of pry that up. Just be careful. These things are old. Alright, and then there it is. Alright, and just like that, these are out. So this is the top. So this is where the bolts were. So if my hands were in there, there's one right there, and one right there. I kind of felt for them. So out with the old and in with the new. Let me take off. Actually, I'll wait till I install it. But what's nice is that it came with a bulb from LMR. These are really nice. They match the headlights perfect. Like they're just as shiny, as clear. They look really good. And so all I need to do is take off the little clip for the screw and just swap it on over to this side. So I'm kind of holding it with the other side through the front to I'm kind of getting both hands in here. I put the screw in through the hole to kind of guide myself. Alright, that one's in snug. Get the other one the same. Alright, that one's in snug too. And now, make sure I get this one in. seems pretty sturdy. Make sure that the clip's there. For the most satisfying part of this install right here, catch a little hair of that. Oh snap. Dang. I like that. Let me stand up. Alright, I like that a lot. That looks really, really good. Really, really good. Let me go and attack the other side, and then I'll show you guys both sides. It looks really, really good. Dang. Alright, y'all, there it is. There's the last fog light. That looks really, really good. Like, really, really good. I really like it. That cleans up the whole front end so much. Yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. That clear side marker is definitely the way to go with these cars. That looks so good. Alright guys, that is it for today. There she is. Come on, she came out to look at the finished product. So what do you think? What do you think?
Nice. That's clean.
Yeah? You like it?
I approve.
You approve? Well, that's it for the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I really love the way the car looks now. The whole front end definitely gets a kind of fresh look to it, and I really, really enjoy it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.